dalawang politika po.
Dalawang
Mga nasa politika po, politiko, sir.
pwede po bang malaman, masabi dito sa committee kung sino po yung political benefactors po ninyo kaya kayo tumakbo na mayor ng Sual, Pangasinan?
Pinatakbo ko po ng dating
Alice Guo pinabigkas ng lupang hinirang na pagdinig. Ito ay estilo sa pagtatanong para malaman kung totoo nga ba itong Filipina. Bahagyang nag-isip si Alice Guo sa pagkakataong iyon. Samantala, ang inaakusahang kasintahan umano ni Alice na si Mayor Kalugay ay sumagot na sa kung ano ang kanyang tunay na kaugnayan o relasyon kay Alice Guo. Hinuhuli ni Representative Acop si Kalugay sa pamamagitan ng pagtatanong. Kita naman kay Mayor Kalugay na bahagyang natetense ito habang ito'y tinatanong.
Ma'am Alice, Ma'am Kashi, may tanong po ako sa inyo. Pilipino po ba talaga kayo?
Opo, Mr. Chair, Filipino po ako.
Ikaw, Ma'am Cassandra, Pilipina ka ba?
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
Mahal niyo ba talaga yung Pilipinas?
Opo, mahal ko po ang Pilipinas.
Mr. Chair.
Mayor Alice Goo, naging mayor ka po ng Bamban Tarlac. Every Monday, nagpa-flag racing kayo. Alam niyo kantahin yung lupang hinirang?
Opo.
Pwede mong, huwag mong ikanta yung last sentence ng lupang hinirang.
Ang mamatayan na dahil sa'yo?
Nang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo. Totoo ba yan?
Opo.
Ba't mo kami pinapahirapan? Ba't nyo pinapahirapan yung Pilipinas? Hirap na yung Pilipinas. Alam mo ba yon? Alam mo ba yon? Hirap na po yung Pilipinas. Kaya tinanong kita kung mahal nyo po yung Pilipinas. Kami po, mahal namin yung bansa namin. Kung kayo'y Pilipino, dapat mahalin nyo rin yung bansa natin. Tinitingnan kita sa mata. Tinititigan kita sa mata. Eye to eye tayo. Kung sino yung matalo, yun yung hindi nagsasalita ng totoo. Diba? Hindi kita titingnan kita talaga mamaya. Pero may tanong ako sa iyo. Kilala mo ba si Michael Yang?
Mr. Chair, hindi ko po kilala si Michael Yang.
Kilala mo ba si Ong Jiang Yang?
Mr. Chair, hindi ko rin pong kilala yung Ong Jiang Yang.
Mayor Alice, dito sa research namin, si Ong Jiang Yang is one of the 7 individuals whose assets were frozen by the Court of Appeals in relation to the qualified trafficking investigation into the Banban, Tarlac, and it has been reported that accounts linked Ong Jiang Yang with transaction amounting to 3.2 billion were used to finance Ong Sheng, a pogo firm that was raided of its illegal activities and has close ties to Alice Goals of Bao Fu Land Development Incorporated. Naniniwala po kayo dito sa aming research?
Mr. Chair, doon sa research niyo po, wala pong pumasok sa akin na pera at hindi ko po kilala yung sinabi niyo po ng Ong Jiang Yang. Pero marami na po ako narinig po na ganun po na issue po about that.
Well, naitanong ko to kasi the topic after this discussion, medyo nagkulang tayo sa oras. Mayroon kaming matrix na papakita sa taong bayan. para makita natin yung real perspective, yung real picture, kung sino talaga ang nasa likod ng mga illegal activities dito sa ating bansa. Una, drug activities. Pangalawa, yung POGO. Pangatlo, EJK, extrajudicial killing. Number 4, lahat ng mga taga-China pumunta dito, namili ng libo-libong hektarya sa ating bansa. Ngayon, napakalaki nito. Alam mo, tumatawag sa akin ngayon. This is our next topic. I will give to Chairman Dan the other question. Chairman Dan, it's your
Thank you,
turn. Hello?
Thank you, SDS, no? For the information of the body, no? A while ago, we were discussing about the Philippine Sanjia Steel Corporation, which was owned by a Chinese national pretending to be a Filipino who happens to be the brother of Mr. Michael Yang and Hong Jing Yang, which is, according to AMLAC, there is a financial transaction with Miss Alice Go. And looking forward, we have invited the said person who owns the Philippine Sanjia Steel Corporation, located in Cagayan de Oro City. We invite him to be a part of this discussion, not only because of him being the brother of Mr. Michael Yang and Ho Jing Yang, but of course, his relation to the Alwana compound wherein the PNP inspected the alleged POGO operation that was operating then before. Now, it has reached to our knowledge that this brother of Ho Jing Yang, of Hong Ming Yang, who is Michael Yang, and Hong Jing Yang, who is being cited already in contempt, now is in the custody of the immigration. Because accordingly, siguro ilabas natin yung ano, kanina pinakita ko na po yun. Ipakita nga natin yung passport. Ayan. If you remember, Alice Go, yan si Dian Sing Yang, na eldest brother ni Michael Yang, was already apprehended at the Ninoy Aquino International Airport a while ago. And his violation is in accordance with the immigration law. Since in his corporation that he filed at the SEC, can you kindly show the picture of the